How to stop Snapchat from making AI edits. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you want to stop Snapchat from making AI edits automatically, like AI generated suggestions or filters, here's what you can do. So for that, you can disable the creative or the AI features. So go ahead, open your Snapchat application, log into your account, tap on the profile picture icon in the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on the gear icon to access settings. Now here in this settings page, go through all the settings and turn off any AI related features or suggestions if available. You can avoid using AI powered features. While editing snaps, avoid tapping on AI or magic buttons that apply automatic edits, and you can also manage the permissions. You can go to your phone settings, go to apps, then go to Snapchat, or you can simply go ahead and tap onto this application, tap on the eye icon in the top to go to settings, and then scroll down. And then here you will see the option of permissions and restrict the microphone or the camera access if AI uses audio or video input for edits. It may limit some features. So keep app updated or reinstall. Sometimes updates add new AI features, so check for app settings after updates. And if unwanted AI features started recently, you can reinstall the app, and reviewing the settings may help. Also note that the Snapchat does not have a single turn off AI edits tool, but you can minimize or avoid AI features by adjusting settings and how you use the app. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.